This video we see how to find the volume of any sphere body. Okay, so we have the sphere body that have the 40 centimeter diameter. Okay, so first we see the formula, that is we have V equals to 4 over 3 pi r cube. We know that the radius of this one is 20 because we divide it by 2. Okay, now we substitute the value V equals to 4 over 3. The value of pi is 22 over 7 and the r, that is 20 cube. When we sort this one, put these values into calculator, so we get 3352.80. Okay, so this is the answer, and the unit of this one, like volume unit, is centimeter cube. Okay, so this is the answer.